protection and purification. Decree with Archangel Michael, for living in the new earth. Beloved, I am Archangel Michael. Let this decree be personally worked upon. I say your full name. At this moment, surrender myself to the greater power of divine light in my heart so that I may connect with yours, the light, and your consciousness, Archangel Michael. Place your protection over me with your blue light mantle so that my energies are always replenished and strengthened from this moment on. I pledge to receive blessings that anchor the divine within me with the presence of I Am, through which I connect with my infinite ability to manifest God's light in the world and act in the name of my highest good and all beings on the planet. Now it is decreed that I am the light of my world. I am the light of my world, and cover me in springs and divine waters, purifying my mind, body, and spirit. Anchor at this moment my divine presence by the power of the Holy Trinity, because I am the soul, I am divine power, I am divine protection. Now I am fully anchored in my center of strength. I am the will, I am the omnipotent vision, I am holding the light in my being, and I determine at this moment that all my vital channels be cleansed and that my field be purified by the power of the blue flame in its integration with all rays. Let divine order be restored in my life. I decree that my actions be filled with divine power, and that my thoughts be illuminated so that only the vibration of love and light reigns in my life and all the earth. I am purified and supported. I am protected and strengthened. I am conscious and determined. I am, I am, I am. And now I am breaking all the vows I made to live the illusion of unconsciousness. As a bearer of the light of my genetic lineage, I break all vows of unconsciousness in my name and in the name of all my ancestors. Archangel Michael, free me and all forever, freed by the power of the Holy Alliance with God the Father Mother in my divine presence. And I honor the divine presence in all beings who receive this miraculous and sanctified liberation. I revoke and annul these vows of illusion, depriving it of apparent value in incarnation, and for all others, through time and space of all parallel and alternative realities. From all parallel and alternative universes, for all planetary systems, from all origin systems, and all dimensions. I ask to be free from all crystals, mechanisms, thoughts, forms, emotions disguised, matrices, and ideas of memories as genetic limitations and illusion of death. Let the divine light that liberates, loves, protects, nourishes, welcomes and understands that all the memories of my soul and divine virtues that unite me with the wisdom of the Supreme Source be anchored in my reality. All forms, thoughts, emotions, feelings, and elevated words that create my reality and that illuminate the reality of those around me. Let me be imbued with the definitive trust in the infinity of life, and that I may be eternally supported by the light of God. Let divine will be done, let divine will be done, let divine will be done. I accept divine light in my life. I accept divine protection in my life. I accept divine guidance in my life, and I recognize myself in unity with God the Father Mother. Beloved Archangel Michael, protect me today and always, and may I connect every day with the light and the power of your consciousness. I, Archangel Michael, ask that this powerful decree be worked for 21 days. Blessings to each one of you who listen to this message until the end. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light in divine service to humanity on Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.